Hey everyone, I'm Roy from Financial Intake. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Western Digital's financial results for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025. In this quick and easy analysis, I'll walk you through the key highlights and essential insights. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Western Digital's performance and what it means for investors. If you find this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Now let's get started. To kick things off, let's look at the executive summary. Western Digital has made significant strides in both its Flash and HDD sectors. They reported revenue of $4.1 billion, a 49% increase year over year. This growth reflects their strategic focus on high-demand markets, particularly in data centers and enterprise SSD applications. The Flash segment is rebounding well, with year-over-year revenue growth driven by strong demand for data center applications. On the HDD side, record revenue in data center sales demonstrates the ongoing need for storage solutions. The company has positioned itself effectively amidst challenges and sees improved margins, indicating operational efficiency. Now let's break down some of the financial highlights. Total revenue, as mentioned, $4.1 billion. Non-GAAP EPS. They reported $1.78, reflecting solid profitability. Gross margin. The non-GAAP gross margin stood at 38.5%, showing significant improvement from previous quarters. Operating cash flow, a modest $34 million, with a free cash flow of negative $14 million, indicating some ongoing investment efforts. These figures suggest that Western Digital is effectively navigating the complexities of the storage market while maintaining a focus on long-term growth. If you're enjoying this update so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest and greatest in quick, easy-to-digest financial insights. There are more important facts in this report, so let's continue. Next, let's examine the revenue trends by end market. In the cloud sector, revenue increased by 17% quarter over quarter, reaching $2.2 billion. Client revenue remained stable at $1.2 billion, a slight increase of 5% year over year. However, the consumer segment saw a decline, holding steady at $0.7 billion, which is a 7% decrease year over year. These trends highlight the shifting dynamics in the storage market, with cloud solutions leading the way in growth. Now let's take a closer look at the cash flow statement, which is crucial for understanding the company's liquidity and how well it generates cash from its operations. In the first quarter of fiscal 2025, Western Digital reported an operating cash flow of $34 million. While this number indicates that the company is generating some cash from its core operations, it's important to note that it's lower than what we'd like to see, especially in a growing business. Additionally, Western Digital experienced a negative free cash flow of $14 million. This suggests that while they are still investing in growth initiatives, like expanding their manufacturing capabilities and advancing their product lines, there are some challenges in generating enough cash to cover these investments. A positive cash flow is essential because it enables the company to meet its financial obligations, invest in future growth, and return value to shareholders through dividends or share buybacks. Therefore, keeping an eye on cash flow trends is just as important as monitoring revenue and profits. Moving on to the metrics for flash and hard drive sales, we see promising growth. Exabyte shipments for HDD increased by 14% quarter over quarter. The average selling price per HDD stood at $164. On the flash side, bit shipments also grew by 14%. This upward trajectory in both segments underscores Western Digital's commitment to delivering quality products and effectively leveraging market opportunities. What next? Western Digital has provided guidance for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025. They expect revenue between $4.20 billion to $4.40 billion, with a gross margin in the range of 36.5% to 38.5%. This positive outlook reflects management's confidence in maintaining momentum in both their HDD and flash markets, particularly as demand in the data center space continues to rise. Western Digital is demonstrating robust performance in Q1 FY 2025, with significant revenue growth, improved margins, and a positive outlook for the future. Their focus on high-demand markets and operational efficiency positions them well for continued success. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial insights.